Exhale is a combination of stimulating and soothing, that is useful for relieving congestion, colds or coughs. The Ravensara in this blend helps fight viral strains and, along with tea tree, aids in tissue rebuilding, while killing some of the nastiest microbes on the planet. Exhale is antibacterial, helps encourage lymphatic drainage, stimulates the immune system, aids circulation, and brings a high percentage of cineole with the Eucalyptus radiata in it, that is believed to be the component that relieves colds and congestion. Exhale is cool and soothing when we are feeling stuffed up and unable to allow our repressed or pent-up emotions to flow. Colds and congestion often occur when we are feeling congestion somewhere in our lives. Exhale stimulates our mind to look for fresh new ideas and emotions that will serve us better, allowing the body to return to a state of wellness. This blend should be diluted and rubbed on the chest or back. It can be diffused or placed on a cotton ball and inhaled, or place a drop on your pillow. Click the link below this video to find out more about Exhale Essential Oil Blend.